Okay, this will read later. And hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So for the longest, since whenever I had the truck, I knew that I'm gonna have to do the suspension upgrade. And since that day, I was always debating what I'm gonna do. Either I'm just gonna do a simple 2-inch lift or I'm gonna do something else. But the more I look into it, the more I saw my parts, my upper control arms, my lower control arms and everything else, it all looked pretty bad. So I knew that I have to do something much more than that, than just simple lift. So after reaching out to many companies, looking at different kits, different parts, I contacted Nisstec lifts, and I talked to those guys for quite a few times on the phone, in emails, and we put together a pretty amazing lift, I feel like. So that's the parts I got, and finally they all came in, so let's unbox them. And look at all the stuff that came in. I was not expecting to be that many boxes, but I mean, that's good. More new stuff to put in. So let's open everything up and see what's inside. I'm probably opening this upside down as well, but it's alright. I'm very excited to see what's inside there. Okay. Alright, that's our new lower control arms. Wow, they are beefy. They are super beefy. And that's our upper control arms, of course. Oh, all right, that's our rear shocks. Nice. And some stickers. Stickers are always important. Now this is something very good. Okay, this will read later. Wow, look at these coilovers. Holy moly, macaroni. Wow. I believe this is gonna be the remaining like a hardware. And more bushings. Oh yes. Holy, look at the size of this. And of course the adapters. Look at that! Wow! And alright, just look at all these goodies that came in. That looks like a lot of new stuff, doesn't it? Whew! I even brought this way just unpacking it all. Look how many boxes I got there. Look at the size of these rear shockles. They look so beefy. And of course we got all of this new stuff over here. Wow. I can't believe I actually finally got all of this stuff. It's gonna be quite a work to put it all in, but I think we can manage. So yeah, this was just small unboxing, and just to give you guys a heads up of what's coming. And look at the size of these coilovers. They're huge. They're huge. I really like everything. So yeah guys, stay tuned, more stuff is coming. There's gonna be a lot of work, it's gonna take time, but it's all gonna get done. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're as excited as I am. And on this note, until next time, everybody, bye.